Hello guys, today I've got the APPLE AirPods Max 2 and I'm going to show you all the controls and gestures for this device. So, if we go to the settings, we have the list of them, so I'll just show it to you. Here, as you can see, we have this button cycle and we can switch between the transparency mode, adaptive mode, noise cancellation mode, and turn off all these options. Just click this button. Here they have call controls. We have answer a call, which is press once by default, mute and unmute, press once by default, and end call, press twice. Camera control. Camera mode, it can be set either to off, press once, or press and hold. If you want to know what is camera mode, check our channel because we have a video for that. Here they have digital crown, and we can change the volume using the digital crown. So as you can see, the default value for it is back to front, and the equivalent, the alternative is front to back. And as for the gestures and controls, that's it actually. But now we have yet another option, which is actually unique. Here we have head gestures, and if we have them enabled, if we tilt our head up and down, we have accept or reply, and decline dismiss if we use them side to side. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.